Hello, my name's Natalie Cooney. I'm an old Andrian, an ex-school captain, and now a proud mother of a child in kindergarten at St Andrews. And it's with great fond memories that I reflect on my time at St Andrews, where most of that was spent on the roof. I think it's really important, living in the concrete jungle of the Sydney City CBD, that there is greenery for the children within the school to play on every day. My reflections of my time at St Andrews were playing softball on the roof, sitting and speaking with teachers and friends, and it was just a lovely environment to escape the classroom. As I bring my child into this school, I have great hope that she enjoys her fond times at St Andrews, but I do wonder, a whole generation has passed and the roof has remained the same. I think this Giving Day, it's a wonderful initiative of the school to revamp that heartbeat of St Andrews, that roof that gives life to this building. And I encourage you to support this revamp and bring alive the rooftop. The school is seeking $200,000 from the community to enable the revamp of the roof for many, many generations to come, to sit there, to learn, to foster and to grow. I encourage you to support the school's growth because your child goes there and you never know, maybe your grandchild will one day too.